introducing the team. Dinah Lance, a bit of a firebrand with sonic sound abilities that have gotten her shunned by an ancient Egyptian in a modern Egyptian's body. Oh, and he's got wings. Claims this is his fourth reincarnation.
Seen your wings, right? This place is a fortress. Stick to the plan. You all know what to do. But this is not what I had in mind when I joined an elite fighting. What's the point of all this if we aren't even remembered? We fight, we die.
We're supposed to be a secret.
No, I know, but...
Listen, an oath, and we will all need to live again. For me, it's... He can be. He's we're all going to be dead. They need to know. They should know. It wasn't like this before. We'll see her again soon. And you should go.
Fish lips. Keep it up, gents. Send these fish back to the sea.
Shake your tail. Canary and I will get things from getting to the city. After you.
How gentlemanly of you. No. It's okay. You're going to be okay.
Here's something. Promise me you won't give up on life. On love.
Please.
Sayara, I'm coming. Bye.
Yeah. You call that a scream?
Get it when I get back.